Today I'm going to paint the mountains for this landscape. I'm going to begin by painting a layer which is just a similar color to the sky, but it's going to be darker. And then as I paint the further away mountains, I'm going to get lighter as I go further back. And then I'm going to add sunlight and other details to the mountains to make them look really realistic. So the mountains for this landscape are done. Notice how I've kept the overall tone of the mountains pretty light. Even though the mountains don't look extremely light right now, once I paint the trees and the rest of the painting, which is going to be much darker, in contrast the mountains will become very distant. They may look a little distant now, but it'll even be more so once I paint the dark colors like the trees in front of everything. If you enjoyed this video, then please like it, or if you'd like to be notified when I have more videos in the future, simply subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. Also, if you're interested in viewing or purchasing any canvas reprints of some of my art, including this one once I finish it and I'm able to put it on my website, please check out my website at jonathanschlichterartist.com.